Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you are trying to sign in your Google account in Mail app on your Mac, but it just won't work. Maybe it keeps asking for your password or it says authentication failed. Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you some quick and easy solutions to fix this problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Mac is connected to stable Wi-Fi or internet. Open Safari and check if you can load any website. Solution 2. Remove and re-add your Google account. Sometimes the account just needs a reset. Go to System Settings. Tap on search bar and type Internet account and tap on it. Select your Google account. Then tap on Delete account. After removing your account, click on Add account. Choose Google, then sign in again. Solution 3. Enable IMAP in Gmail. Open a web browser on your Mac and go to gmail.com. Sign into the same Google account you use in Mail. Click on gear icon in the top right corner. Then click on See All Settings. Open the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. Scroll to IMAP Access and select Enable IMAP. Click Save Changes at bottom. Solution 4. Update macOS and Mail. Sometimes it's just a bug. Go to System Settings. Then tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Install the latest update to keep Mail compatible with Google. And that's it. With these steps, your Google account should start working perfectly in Mail app again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and Mac tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.